In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your location on Redbubble. Whether for privacy reasons or just personal preference, keeping your city or state private on platforms like Redbubble can be important. Let's dive right into this simple yet significant process, ensuring your privacy is respected. First off, start by navigating your way to Redbubble's website. It's the online marketplace brimming with unique products designed by independent artists. Once there, the next crucial step is to log into your account. If you're not logged in, you cannot adjust any personal settings, including your location visibility. Now, onto the login process. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Clicking this will navigate you to the login page, quite standard across most websites. Here you'll be prompted to enter your credentials, starting with your email. Make sure you type in the email associated with your Redbubble account. Accuracy is key here to avoid login issues. Following your email, you'll then input your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so ensure you're entering it precisely as you set it up. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's usually a password recovery option on most login screens to help you regain access. With your email and password correctly inputted, you can now click on the login button. If all your details were correct, you should now be logged into your Redbubble account, ready to take the next step toward enhancing your privacy. Now let's navigate to the part where you can actually hide your location. Once logged in, you'll want to access your account settings to make any changes. Begin by clicking on your profile at the top right of the page. Here you'll find a drop-down menu. Look for and select Account Settings. This area controls much of your Redbubble account's privacy and personal information settings. Within account settings, you'll be greeted with various options, but what we're interested in today is hiding your location. Scroll down until you find a section titled Profile. Underneath, there's a specific option that controls the visibility of your city or state. You'll see a checkbox next to the text indicating whether your location is currently visible on your profile or not. If this box is checked, your location is visible to others who visit your Redbubble page. By unchecking this box, you tell Redbubble that you prefer to keep your city or state private. Once you uncheck this box, your location won't be displayed on your public profile, enhancing your privacy on the platform. Once you've unchecked the box, ensure you navigate to the bottom of the page to save your changes. It may seem trivial, but it's vital. Unsaved changes will not be applied, meaning your location could still be visible until you confirm these changes, and there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Redbubble to enhance your privacy by hiding your location. It's a straightforward process that doesn't take much time but offers a great deal of privacy control over your account. Keeping certain information private online is increasingly important, and knowing how to manage these settings empowers you as a user. Redbubble has made it relatively simple to control what's visible on your profile, ensuring you can enjoy the platform while keeping your personal information, like your location, private. Thanks for following along. Whether you're selling your designs or purchasing unique art, your privacy on Redbubble is paramount. Remember, it's always okay to take steps to protect your personal information online. Until next time, keep creating, exploring, and enjoying the wonders of Redbubble with peace of mind, knowing your location is hidden.